In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable hardware acceleration in itch.io, step by step, so you can quickly change this setting if the app is lagging, glitching, or causing display issues. This is a simple fix, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open the itch.io app on your computer. Once the app is open, look over to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a menu panel with different options, and from there, click on Preferences. This is where itch.io keeps a lot of its app settings, including visual and performance-related options. After the Preferences page opens, scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Disable Hardware Acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes improve performance, but in some cases it can also cause stuttering, black screens, UI glitches, or other rendering problems. So if you're having trouble with the app, this is a useful setting to turn off. Once you find it, simply check the box next to Disable Hardware Acceleration. As soon as you enable that option, the app should apply the change. In many cases, you may need to restart itch.io for the setting to fully take effect, so if you don't notice the difference immediately, close the app and open it again. And that's it. You've now disabled hardware acceleration in itch.io. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference if the app wasn't behaving properly before. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.